Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So our today's class is a drafting class. We are going to be drafting this bag you're seeing, and the first thing we are going to be working on is the handle of the bag. The measurement we are going to be using is 6 inches by wideness, 6 inches wideness and 5 inches length. So after that, we are going to take a measurement of 3/4 of an inch all around at the edges of the pattern. After that, we are going to make use of a free hand to sketch it, because we don't want the sharp edges. We want the edges to have kind of curve. Then we are going to be cutting that out. So after that, we are going to be taking the measurement of 1 inches all around. As you can see, the handle of the bag have an opening, so that is what we are trying to create. So we take a measurement of 1 inches all round, and we are going to make use of a ruler to connect that, and we are going to cut it out. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to my existing subscribers, oh my god, you guys are so amazing. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for liking, for commenting. Thanks. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless you. So we are going to cut that out, and we are not done yet, but we are almost done with the handle of the bag. Now we are done with that. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is we are going to be working on the body of the bag, and the measurement is 7 inches by 12 inches, 7 inches length by 12 inches wideness. So the measurement I took there was 5 inches. I later increased the measurement to 7 inches when I discovered the height of the bag is very small. Now we are going to be taking the measurement of 3 inches at both sides of the body of the bag. If you remember, the measurement of the wideness of our handle is 6 inches, and the wideness of our body is 12 inches. So you're going to be removing 3 inches at both sides of the body of the bag. So after that, I took a measurement of 1 inches, but I didn't know my phone was not capturing everything. I took a measurement of 1 inches and I notched it, because we are not going to be sewing the whole handle on the bag. We are going to be leaving we are not going to be sewing the whole handle on the bag. So we are going to start our measurement from where I notch, which is 1 inches. So you took a measurement of 1 inches. After that, we are going to place our handle and we're going to cut it out. Now I want the bottom to have a slant shape, so I took a measurement of 1 inch and I make use of my hand to first sketch. After first sketching, I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to be placing it on the second body as well, and I'm going to be cutting it out. Now to get the bottom, you're going to be laying none of the body on your pattern paper, and you're going to sketch it out. After sketching out, you're going to take a measurement of 2.5 inches. After taking a measurement of 2.5 inches, now just place one of the body on your pieces or on your pattern paper, just like that. Then after then, you take a measurement of 2.5. that will be the measurement of our bottom, 2.5. After that, you're going to place it again, and you're going to draft the second side as well. So the measurement I used for the bottom was 2.5. So after that, we are going to cut it out. So the next thing we are going to be working on is the flap. So the measurement I used for the flap is 3.5 wideness by 5 inches, because the wideness of the opening of the handle is 3.5. So after that, I'm going to give it a slant. I'm going to give a round shape, at the down. So, and that is that. Now, so to sew the bottom to the body of the bag, you're going to take a measurement of 0.2 inches, and you're going to make use of your pattern paper, which is the one body to sketch that out. And after that, you're going to do the same to the other body of the bag, because that is where you are going to be placing your bottom. You can use more than 0.2 of an inch. You can use any measurement of it. You can use any measurement of your choice. But for me, I'm okay with that. I'm going to be making it of 0.2 and I'm going to be placing one body on the other, just for me to get that slant and curve shape at the down part of the bag. So after that, I'm going to be making use of my gum to like hold the bottom down and glue the bottom to the body as well. So I'm going to take that in the machine and I'm going to sew it. So guys, please, for the second time, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, comment and likes. Now let's work on the side of the bag. So the measurement I'm going to be using is 2.5 by 7.2 because the measurement of the bottom was 2.5. Then I added 1 inches to the wideness of that to the bottom, which will give me 3 inches, and to the height of the bag I added 0.5 inches. That is how I got 7.2, because the measurement I get after the whole sewing was 6 and 3/4 of an inch. Then I added half an inch to give me 7.2. Then you're going to take a measurement of 0.5 at the top and you're going to give it a slant shape, and at the down part you're going to take a measurement of 0.5 as well. So guys, we are done with that. So we are going to be fixing our handle. Remember earlier I said we are not going to be sewing the whole handle to the bag, so you're going to take a measurement of 1 inch and notch it. So you are going to fix your handle at exactly where your notches start, not to the whole. You are not going to fix the whole handle to the bag. You are not going to fix your handle to the bag. So you are going to start from where you notch, which is the 1 inch, as you can see. Then we are going to be adding our gum and we are going to be fixing that. Please make sure you take a measurement of 1 inch and notch it. So you are going to fix it from where you notch. Fix it from where you notch, and we are done with the handle of the bag. As you can see, it looks beautiful, right? Yes. So the next thing we are going to be doing is I'm going to be adding my gum to the gusset of the bag, and I'm going to be fixing it directly to the bag. So I would love to see you guys try this out. So if you are going to be making yours, you can make use of a marco and a caribou. So guys, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, you guys are so amazing. So we should not forget the flap of the bag. You're going to take a measurement of 1.5 inches before fixing in your handle, and that is where you are going to be fixing the flap. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for liking. I would love to see you guys try this out. And you can tag me on my TikTok account at Omowari Lux. Thank you. God bless.